was alone, abandoned by the one I thought would stay. Left for dead but still alive in pain. Rules made by men kept the healers away. They turned their backs and ran from me in shame. But I know that you love me. Yes, I know that you love me. Oh, you took the time, reached out to find me. Listen when I cry. It makes sense when nothing else does. In a world so cold, you're the one that trusts. While others pass me by, you never fail. You make sense. The ones in robes, they stand around and stare, questioning what sin I must have done. They lift themselves by pushing down despair, while I'm left blaming in the sun. But you make sense when judgment reigns. You reach for shame and break the chains, while others walk away. You yield beside. You make sense, God. I see the war around me rising the more I reach the deeper the tide. But in the chaos I feel you guiding, pulling me gently back to life. As I break beneath this weight I bear, my soul cries out through silent screams. Will anyone stop to truly care, or just pass by like in a dream? But you make sense when I come all done. You say the scars and call me child. When all the world forgets my name, you whisper hope and heal the shame. Yes, you make sense. You make sense. You make sense to me. You make sense to me. You will not one with me. Inclusion. You hold each of my knee. You whisper hope and heal the shame. Yes, you make sense.